Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss one important question related to chapter number 8, that is called reproduction. How do organisms reproduce? Here, the question which has been asked in the year 2020 in the CBSE board, that question is there. Here, question I am reading. You can see based on the given diagram. This diagram is given. On the basis of this diagram, answer the following. Here, first question that has been asked, label the parts A, B, C and D. That is part A, this part B, part C and part D. These parts you have to label, means you have to write the names of these parts. What is the name of these particular parts you have to write. Second question, name the hormones secreted by testes. Name the hormones secreted by testes. Whatever testes, which is the primary reproductive structure or primary reproductive organ, what is the hormone that it secretes and what is the function of this particular hormone. Mention its role and then state the functions of B and C. This B is there and that is C, its function. So first of all, keep in your mind, we have to identify what is the diagram that is being represented. So this particular diagram represents a reproductive system in man, right? So first of all, we have to see what is the A. First of all, labeling is there. So in the labeling part, we have to see, keep in your mind that this is a 5 marks question, right? So 5 marks questions are there, A, B, C and D we have to mention. So 4 A, B, C, D, 4 questions are there into half, that is equal to 2 marks, right? Then name the hormone secreted by testes. Name the hormone. So name the hormone, half marks. And then its role, half, that is equal to 1. Then after, state the functions of B and C. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is equal to what? It becomes 5 marks. So that is the scheme of marks. So we have to first of all mention A. A is what? In this reproductive system of man, testes is the primary reproductive organ, and then from the testes, what is there? There is a vas deferens. This vas deferens moves away. Here sperm formation will take place and hormones will be formed. Hormone will be produced. That hormone is testosterone. So through this testosterone, what will happen? Sperms will form. That sperm will be brought by the vas deferens. From the vas deferens, it will be carried on into this particular way and finally it will reach out to this part. So here, in fact, this is called as urinary bladder. What is called urinary bladder? So in the urinary bladder, whatever tubular structure is entering, it is called as ureter. So A is referred to as ureter and D is being referred to as vas deferens. Vas deferens. It means testes will produce testosterone hormone as well as sperm. That sperm will be carried via vas deferens, and from the vas deferens it will enter into this particular tube-like structure. While it will cross ureter, ureter is coming from kidney and it is emptying itself into the urinary bladder. When vas deferens is moving downwards, it will have a specialized vesicular structure that is called as seminal vesicle. So B is called as seminal vesicle. And finally from this part, here urine is coming, from here seminal vesicle, its structure means whatever secretions are there, that is being produced. Here is another gland, in fact 2-3 glands are there, these are called as PCS, prostate gland, Copper's gland, seminal vesicle. Here one more gland is present, right? So this one is called as, B is called as seminal vesicle. Then one of them is prostate gland, second one is called Copper's gland, and finally from here is sperm, and from here urine. Both are coming and they are being discharged, they are going out of the body by this particular tubular structure which is called as urethra. What is called? Urethra. So I think now you are clear. Part A is called as seminal vesicle. A is seminal vesicle. Then B is called as, where is B? B is, oh sorry, part A is called as ureter. Part A is ureter. Part B is seminal vesicle. Then part C is called as urethra. And then part D is called as vas deferens. Right? So first part is over. After that, second part, name the hormone secreted by testes. That is the part, इसको हम ये हो जाएगा A, B, C and then D. Then after, second part, name the hormone. Hormone secreted is testes, testosterone. Testosterone is secreted by testes. Its function, produce secondary sexual characters in man. That is its function. So name you have to write, its function you have to write. Then after, third part, that is C part, state the function of B. B is seminal vesicle. So function of seminal vesicle is to produce seminal fluid that provides nourishment and activates sperm. Right? Thereafter, C, function of C, urethra discharges seminal fluid with sperm and empties urine. Right? These are the two functions. Keep in your mind that here whatever reproductive system is there, it integrates a reproductive part as well as excretory part. For this reason, reproductive system of human beings is called as urinogenital system. Urinogenital system. Genital stands for reproductive part, urino stands for urinary part or excretory part. Here whatever ureter is there, that ureter is coming from urinary, what is called kidney. From the kidney ureter is coming, and here whatever vas deferens is there, this vas deferens is coming from testes. So overall, because urinary system and reproductive system both are integrated together, it is called as urinogenital system. Here whatever urethra is there, that urethra discharges both urine as well as reproductive products. Thank you, students.